Maharashtra, the engine of India's economy, a land of heritage, courage, and limitless potential. But our greatest asset is not infrastructure, it is our youth. And for too long, millions remained disconnected from the opportunities they deserve, until now. To realize the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a Viksit Bharat, we must ensure every hand has work and every talent finds its opportunity.
हमारी सरकार ने युवाओं के कौशल विकास और नए संस्थानों के निर्माण को सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता दी है।
Under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Maharashtra has embarked on a mission to bridge the gap between education and employment.
A demography with skill is demographic dividend, but demography and youthful demography without skill is a demographic disaster. आणि म्हणून अतिशय योग्य वेळी हे इंटरव्हेन्शन झालं आणि त्यातनं देशामध्ये कौशल्य विकासावर प्रचंड मोठा भर आपण दिला आणि त्याचाच एक भाग म्हणून महाराष्ट्राने वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे इनिशिएटिव्हज घेतले.
The government also recognized what continued to block progress. Opportunities, schemes, and portals already existed. But for many youth, especially in rural and underserved communities, navigating them was not simple. And when navigation is hard, opportunity becomes distant. So the Directorate of Vocational Education and Training, Maharashtra State, DVET, didn't look for another portal. It looked for simplification. From analyzing data to rethinking user journeys to asking one critical question. How do we bring NAPS, National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, and MAPS, Maharashtra Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, to where the youth already are? That question led to the idea of Mahachatur AI.
मला खूप आनंद होत आहे की आपल्यासाठी महाराष्ट्र शासनाचे कौशल्य विकास, रोजगार, उद्योजकता व नाविन्यता विभाग यांचे मार्फत आपण आपल्यासाठी महाचतुर मामा एक AI चॅटबॉट तयार केलेला आहे. त्याच्या बनवण्यामध्ये आपल्याला राईट वॉक फाउंडेशनने खूप मदत केलेली आहे.
To translate this vision into reality, DVET collaborated with the Right Walk Foundation, a partner experienced in last-mile skilling, youth livelihoods, and on-ground implementation.
So we focused on making the chatbot more conversational, multilingual, and accessible so that every youth, regardless of their digital dexterity, could navigate the opportunities confidently. Mahachatur AI not only guides the youth, but also acts on their behalf. And that's the real game changer.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव वेदा नारकर. मी दादर ITI गर्ल्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेकॅनिक या ट्रेडमध्ये शिकते. जेव्हा मी महाचतुर AI वापरला तेव्हा मला उमजले की जेव्हा माहिती स्पष्ट असते तेव्हा गोष्टी किती सोप्या असतात. मी अगदी सहजपणे यावर नोंदणी करू शकले, अगदी चॅटद्वारे. माझ्या भागातील उमेदवारांच्या अप्रेंटिसशिपसाठी मी संधी पाहू शकले.
And so, Mahachatur AI was created to bring the ecosystem into one simple experience. No app downloads, no complex forms, just a simple hi. Mahachatur AI speaks Marathi, Hindi, and English, guiding candidates step by step, from registration and eligibility to opportunities in just minutes. It not only guides, but acts on their behalf. Share your location, share your skills. Verified options appear. Now you can search and apply with just a message on WhatsApp. The essence of Mahachatur AI goes beyond answers. While most bots stop at Q&A, Mahachatur doesn't just guide. it acts and performs real actions on behalf of students. For a young person in a remote village, the gap between a dream and a career is often just one thing: access. Mahachatur AI is that access. An initiative of the government of Maharashtra built under DVET's leadership. Strengthened through partnerships with organizations like Right Walk Foundation and delivered to every youth, right where they already are. Open WhatsApp. Say hi. Mahachatur AI. Scan to chat now.